Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research, where I'm building a compressed air motor to replace the engine in a vehicle that I have. So, yesterday I was working on my Eccentrics and my milling machine broke down on me, so I didn't get to completely finish it. Well, after a few more hours working in the shop today, I finally got the two push rod bearing pins made. They not too complicated, but it did take me a little while. I'm not good at these things, especially tiny things. I'm more of a bull in the china closet thing. But anyway, I've got those two done now. I'll have to go ahead and take my engine part back apart and see about putting these in where they go. But I have to take it apart in order to put those in. One of the bad things about it, you have to do what you have to do. But once I get them in, then let's see, this one goes up on the other side too. So there, once I get them in, then they'll ride around. Where they are supposed to go. Of course, these here will go with them, because this one is for this pin right here, this hole here. That's where this one will go. This one belongs over here in that hole. But that'll probably be worked on tomorrow. So for now, I guess I'll just call it a day. Thanks for checking in, you long-time subscribers. And for any of you new people that have just found my website, if you'd like to follow along and see how things are going, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and be sure and check the little notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes out. So far I've put out 120 videos, and there's going to be quite a few more, and they'll be coming fairly fast once I start putting the engine together. Do a little testing, and by that time I'll be ready to go ahead and pull the engine out of the car and see about making an adapter plate and a coupling that hooks it to the transmission, and we'll see how it goes. But for now,